The Naviate command, raise lower parallel pipes, sets the elevation of a pipe span in relation to another pipe span. At the top of the dialog box, start by clicking Select Pipes and select the reference pipe span, either by clicking the first and last pipe or by selecting a pipe span label. Vertex elevation reference sets the point on the reference pipe to measure the distance from. Under Modify Pipe Network, set the point on the modifying pipe network to measure the distance to. Enter the elevation difference in meters, and then click Elevate Pipe Span and select the first and last pipe in the span to elevate. Use Elevate Single Pipe to move connecting pipes. The dialog stays open so that the command can be repeated with new pipe spans. Left and right offset sets how far away a pipe end can be and still be included within the command. The structure boundary determines how far away from the reference pipe end the modifying pipe end can be and still match endpoint elevations. If the modifying pipe end is outside the boundary, it matches the projected point of the pipe instead. Under Modify Pipes, set if the pipes need to have both ends inside the left and right offset boundary for them to be eligible. The way in which the command matches drops is selected under Drop in Structure.